Your Wi-Fi connects for a moment and then suddenly disconnects and reconnects again. Super frustrating, right? Especially whenever you are working, gaming, or watching something important. Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting and reconnecting problem on Windows 10. The solution are quick, simple, and 100% effective. No complicated tech steps, just user steps anyone can follow. Alright, let's dive in. First, click on the Start button and search for Device Manager. Once the window opens, expand the network adapter section. Now find your Wi-Fi adapter. Its usually says something like Intel, Realtek, or something similar. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for updates and install the latest driver for your Wi-Fi adapter. Outdated and buggy drivers are one of the main reasons for your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. But don't stop here. While still in Device Manager, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter again and select Properties. Now head over to Power Management tab. Here, untick the box that says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK to save the settings. This option is meant to save battery life on laptops, but it often causes unstable Wi-Fi connections. Turning it off makes your Wi-Fi much more reliable. After this, restart your PC and see if the problem is gone. If your Wi-Fi still keeps disconnecting and reconnecting, let's try one final fix. Click on the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. I will give you some commands for you in the description or comment below. What you will have to do, just copy and paste each command one by one. After typing each command, make sure to hit Enter. These commands will reset your network settings, refresh your IP, and clear any cache data that might be causing the problem. Once you have done that, restart your PC. And now your Wi-Fi disconnecting and reconnecting issue should be finally be fixed or get.